Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a creamy mango shake. You need just 2 ingredients. I'm using this Haiti mango that's extremely ripe. I had taken the flesh off and put it in the fridge yesterday. It's very sweet but very fibrous, so I'll strain it after blending. You can use any variety of mango for this recipe. Just make sure it's very ripe and sweet. This is a champagne mango with no fibrous texture. It's very smooth. You can cut it into chunks and blend with no straining. Pretty much the perfect mango. I'll blend the Haiti mango. I wish you could smell it, it's so strong. Now I'll strain it. Smooth with no fibers. Put the puree into your clean blender. This is about 1 cup. I'm using vanilla ice cream, 1 scoop, 2 scoops. Blend it until smooth. Look how creamy that is. If you like, top with some finely diced mango and nuts. Crush some almonds or pistachios and sprinkle on top. We've been having almost 100-degree temperatures and this is perfect for those hot days. I can't tell you how good this is. You'll have to try it out. Another refreshing drink to beat the heat is this mango and pineapple juice. I'll link that video in the description section below. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.